Well, I can't think of a better time to wax up my machine than right now. To get real close with it. If you haven't heard by now, and I think most of you have by the time I post this, Shopsmith has closed their doors for a while. Before I go any further, if you got an outstanding order out there, they are going to be processed. You will receive what you've ordered. That's good news. Bad news is we don't really know how long Shopsmith will be down. I've seen this a couple times before in my 43 years with Shopsmith. And what's funny, this doggone company keeps bouncing back. And the reason that is the product itself, number one. And of course, number two, that great owner base that we have. You guys out there. Guys and gals now. So let me reiterate. If you got an outstanding order, they're still processing those orders. They're going to get them out the door as quickly as possible. And from there, I would assume someone's going to step up and become the new owner of Shopsmith. This is more than just a machine. This machine is like a member of the family. It is a product unlike any other in that it is passed, from one generation to the next generation to the next generation, and it has memories for everybody, and most memories quite good. Not a lot of products out there that can last generations and generations. Not a lot of products out there that continue to give back to you. We actually get your monies back over any amount of time, like the Shopsmith does. And I really do believe that Shopsmith will come back and probably be bigger and better than ever. Who knows? It's a sad day. It's a hopeful day. And I would hope that you guys get out and do it like I'm doing now and go use that machine. Even if it is doing what I'm doing here, waxing it. Side note, I am going to continue doing the seminars. I'll have a new way that you log in, an easier way to log in. Okay? I'm thinking right now there's still going to be an invitation sent out to you. Not going to do as many invitations. I'm going to put together my own website for you so you can see the dates and times of the seminars. And we're going to change the seminars up quite a bit. Of course, in the seminars I've done for years now, not only did I have the opportunity to show you a little bit about the machine, some of the fun stuff you can do with the machine, it was still my job to sell product, okay? Well, I won't be focusing on the sales part of it anymore, which means more time to focus on the function and the features and all the things that this machine can do. So that's going to be great as far as the seminars go. I do have some things I've always wanted to be able to show you and share with you and be able to sell to you, not Shopsmith related. Of course, when I was hooked up with Shopsmith, I'm not able to do that. So I'll bring some of those with me down the road, not right away. But I think you'll find that the seminars are going to become even better. That's why you wax. That's just from about 2 months of sitting out in the air. That's just, that black is smut and bad air. But it makes a big difference how you wax this machine. Wax, wax, wax. I may have to hit this a couple times. So, again, if you got an order out there right now, it is going to get processed, going to get shipped out. I'm going to continue to do the seminars. If you want to contact me now, I even have a new email address. It's just shopsmithmike@gmail.com. shopsmithmike@gmail.com. All right. So if you got some questions, you want some more information on the seminars or anything else we're going to be doing, the new website coming up, just email there, shopsmithmike@gmail.com. Hang in there, you guys. Get out there and wax your machines. I'll talk to some of you down the road.